A loft feature creates a solid or a surface with a smooth transition between its profiles. It is a powerful tool that can create more complex geometry. Depending on the selection, a loft creates a solid part, surface, or thin solid. Start a loft feature from the feature toolbar. Select the profiles for the loft. A loft requires at least 2 profiles, but can span across more when necessary. This example uses sketches, but planar or non-planar faces or surfaces, as well as a single point, may also serve as loft profiles. It is important to select the profiles in sequential order. If profiles are out of order, click the Reorder Items icon to enable drag handles. Click Done once complete. For best results, each profile in the loft should contain the same number of vertices. Consider a loft between a rectangle and a circle. One profile has 4 vertices, while the other has none. Onshape must assume how the 2 profiles are connected. This assumption can lead to undesirable twisting of the loft. To overcome this, create a profile with the same number of vertices. In this example, the split command separates a circular sketch into 4 segments. Use the new sketch in place of the circular face to make a smoother transition between the profiles. Select Start and End profile conditions for finer control of a loft's shape. Normal to profile and tangent to profile work for all profile types, but match tangent and match curvature require adjacent faces to define the condition. Adjust the magnitude as needed. Use the same process to create a surface or thin loft. For a thin loft, specify the thickness on either side of the profile. Alternatively, enable the mid-plane option to center it on the profile. Loft profiles cannot contain multiple contours. Ensure all loft profiles are single contours. When a profile with additional contours is selected, Onshape displays it in red, indicating it is unsuitable for a loft feature.